No dieting, no intense workouts. How can you shed belly fat in just 1 week? Do you have that one outfit in your closet you've been dreaming of wearing again, but it's just out of reach? You're not alone. The biggest obstacle keeping you from slipping into that perfect fit is, quite literally, your belly. But here's the good news. By the end of this video, you'll discover the simple, surprising secret to finally flattening your belly fast. Don't miss this. It might just change everything. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join the Total Weight Loss Over 40, 240 community for more life-changing tips. 1. Say goodbye to bloating. How to deflate your stomach fast. Bloating can make your belly look bigger than it actually is. It's not fat. It's trapped gas or water retention. Let's tackle this first. Acupressure magic. Original tips. Use these simple techniques to stimulate digestion. Point 1. 4 fingers above your navel. Massage this spot in circular motions for 3 minutes, alternating clockwise and counterclockwise. Point 2. 4 fingers below your navel. Repeat the same motion. Combine acupressure with deep breathing exercises to enhance relaxation and digestion. Inhale deeply before each massage cycle. Use a warm compress on your abdomen after the massage to soothe stomach muscles and improve circulation. The ginger solution. Brew ginger tea with 85 genes of fresh ginger, 3 cups of water, lemon juice, and a hint of honey. Sip on this soothing drink to alleviate bloating. Add a pinch of cinnamon or cardamom to your ginger tea. Both spices have anti-inflammatory properties and enhance digestion. Natural de-bloaters. Turmeric. Add a pinch to your dishes or mix it into warm water. Peppermint tea. This refreshing beverage calms your stomach and reduces bloating. Try fennel seeds as a quick remedy for bloating. Chew a teaspoon after meals to ease digestion. Prepare a detox water with cucumber slices, mint leaves, and lemon for an all-day de-bloating effect. 2. Flush out. Excess water. Simple tricks to depuff your body. Water retention can make you feel puffy and heavy. Here's how to combat it. Cut the salt. Too much sodium causes your body to hold on to water. Opt for low-sodium alternatives and use herbs and spices for flavor. Incorporate potassium chloride-based salt substitutes to maintain taste while reducing sodium. Embrace potassium-rich foods. Bananas, spinach, avocados, and coconut water are your best friends. Include dried apricots or raisins as portable potassium-rich snacks. Other strategies. Drink dandelion tea. This natural diuretic helps reduce water weight but prepare for frequent bathroom trips. Reduce refined carbs. Limit sugary snacks and white bread. Hydrate strategically. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Add a slice of watermelon or cantaloupe to your snacks. Both are hydrating and help reduce water retention naturally. 3. Revamp your diet and lifestyle. Transform your belly. Small changes in your eating habits and daily routine can lead to big results. Prioritize protein over carbs. Replace processed carbs with protein-rich foods like eggs, fish, and legumes. Explore plant-based proteins like chickpeas, quinoa, and tofu for variety and balanced nutrition. Adopt mini-meals. Instead of 3 large meals, eat 6 smaller ones to stabilize blood sugar and prevent overeating. Ditch sugary drinks. Soda and juices are bloating culprits. Opt for homemade drinks like pineapple and coconut water blends or grapefruit and pomegranate juices. Create a green smoothie with kale, cucumber, and pineapple. This combo is rich in fiber and helps with digestion. Lifestyle hacks. Sleep smarter. Quality. Sleep is crucial for weight loss. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted rest to regulate hunger hormones. Mindful eating. Slow down and savor each bite. Chewing thoroughly aids digestion and prevents bloating. Incorporate a bedtime relaxation routine, such as chamomile tea and meditation, to improve sleep quality and overall metabolism. 4. Supercharge your detox routine. Morning rituals. Start each morning with warm lemon water. This simple ritual jump-starts your metabolism and aids digestion. Add fresh mint leaves or grated ginger for an extra detox boost. Apple cider vinegar. Add a teaspoon to your water. It's a natural fat burner and digestion aid. Mix apple cider vinegar with olive oil for a healthy salad dressing. 5. Move without exercising. Easy movements. Take short, brisk walks after meals to improve digestion and burn calories. Practice yoga poses like child's pose or cat-cow to relieve bloating and tension. Incorporate light dancing or home aerobics during breaks to stay active and improve mood. Use a fitness tracker to ensure you hit at least 5,000 to 8,000 steps daily without even visiting the gym. 1 week from now, you could feel lighter, more confident, and ready to conquer the world. These practical tips don't just target belly fat, they set you on a path to lasting health and wellness. Start today, and let us know your results in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Total Weight Loss Over 40 240 for more transformative tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss out. See you in the next video.